This is a Fortress Panic button, compatible with the VEA, Safeguard, and Guardian systems. It communicates wirelessly with your main unit using a 433 MHz radio signal. By default, pressing the button instantly triggers the alarm.
Zone. System alarming.
However, by setting the zone type to chime, the button can be converted to a doorbell, and will now cause the panel to emit a doorbell sound when the button is pressed. This is true whether the system is disarmed
System arming.
or armed. The button can be converted to a doorbell for the Safeguard and Guardian systems as well. To replace the batteries, insert a small screwdriver into the hole labeled Open, then gently open the key fob. It requires two CR2016 batteries.